Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the game and backing up your save. This saves time if something goes wrong. Open Settings and enable the developer console or launch with the debug flag so you can access advanced commands. Once done, position your camera or player model so you are half embedded in the object or wall you intend to Noclip through. This alignment matters because Noclip relies on starting inside collision geometry. Make sure the contact angle is shallow, not perpendicular. With the console open, enter the Noclip toggle or collision command. The exact command depends on your build, so try the basic collision off command first. After activation, move slowly, about 0.5 to 1 meters per second, so you slide rather than clipping unpredictably. Use strafing plus slight pitch adjustments to guide your body through seams. This reduces resistance. Avoid sprinting or jumping, because higher speed can fling you back or desync collision and position. To finish, re-enable collisions once you clear the geometry. Do this gradually and stand in open space so you do not get embedded. If you end up stuck, use your backup save or the console teleport command to move to known safe coordinates. This usually frees you without corruption. If problems persist, reload the session or use the rollback save. Finally, practice in a disposable scenario until you can reliably exit and re-enter without needing emergency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.